And yep, let's do that sound. So while we got the cameras set up and ready to go, might as well do the first impressions unboxing of this. And let's fix the focus, Travis. I've really enjoyed the 5 megapixel Amcrest in my previous video. Now when I saw this night color and I saw the lux rating on it, I really wanted to check it out. Now is it really due to the LEDs on the bottom? I don't know. Now the AI, I don't really need a lot of the AI, but hey, we'll see how that works out. So it's got the Starlight, H.265. I hope it does H.264. And what specs we got here? Well, let's just get into it. Y'all can pause if you want to see all this stuff. Quick start guide. Yep. Typical stuff. There's a typical word. Now I got manuals flying everywhere. Yep. Mount. And the little template deal. Same ring. I didn't like the ring too much on the other one, but hey, it was not as bad as some of the Reolink stuff. The weatherproof boot for the Ethernet, power over Ethernet, your stuff, and let's get to the goodness here. The camera itself. So it looks like it's the same exact housing and everything. Now, of course, they got different guts to it. And yep, let's do that sound. Same little looking wide kind of angle lens there. Now they do have the 2 LEDs at the bottom. I'm curious to see how that works out. Now, I know there's a lot of stuff we did talk about the night color without any LEDs, but really you can't beat having some LEDs turn on with motion detection if that's the way this one works. So is there any? Yep. So just like before, the 2 screws under here, there's a reset button, and if you want to put your micro SD card. Same type mount, it appears. I'm hoping it tightens up whenever you lock this in. So you can run this through here if you take that little notch of plastic out, which we won't right now. And this pops into here. Let's see. I don't know. I mean, that moves way too much for me. Just to, why can't we have set screws on these things? I guess if you really wanted to, down here in the neck, it's just tension. So you could slide like some type of grip tape or something in there that way to give it a little more grip. I mean, we're just have some plastic on metal, and that's my complaint I had on the previous mount, just like this one. Kind of sad and they didn't fix that, but hey, we'll check out this. Does it make up for it in the picture quality and sound quality? We'll check it out and we'll see.